This cluster V-stitch is ideal for using up your leftover yarn. As you can see here, the stitch pattern shows best when each row is a different color. This is a great stitch for baby blankets or any blankets, and also like scarves and shawls. Let's see how we make it. What you need is any number of colors in the yarn you want to use. For this sample I'm just using 2. This is Aran weight, and then take a crochet hook that goes with your yarn. Mine is 4 mm. First make a slip knot and chain in multiples of 3. So whatever width of a project, but it needs to be in multiples of 3. For this sample I'm just chaining 21. Here I have 21, and we start in the 6th stitch from the hook. There, and start a double crochet there. So 1 yarn over, and start a double crochet, but don't finish it because we need to make a cluster. So after you have got it like this, then start a new one and also insert the hook in the same stitch as in the first one. And now take a yarn over and pull through all of them. So that forms sort of a cluster. Then chain 2. And now we'll make a cluster of 2 double crochets in that same stitch still. So go into that same stitch. Again, don't finish off the double crochet and start another one. And now that you have 3 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all of them. This is actually what we will be repeating. So we'll make another cluster like that, 2 double crochets together, chain 2, 2 double crochets together. And we skip 2 stitches to do that. So not that one, but here. So starting a double crochet and another one. And those together. Then chain 2 and again go in that same one there. Like that. And continue like that until the end of your chain, whatever length your chain is. Here, so we see that it repeats, so that at every second spot here, there's a chain 2 loop here. Here at the end of the row, there are 3 stitches left, and what we need is a double crochet in the last stitch. Now, if you are changing colors here, which is a good idea for this stitch, then leave the last leg of the stitch undone and then change the color there, because then it changes nicer. So I'm taking the new color here. And then every row starts by chaining 3. Chain 3 and turn. And then we start doing that same again, and the clusters go always into that chain space we have, the 2 chains there. So starting a double crochet and a second one, and then pull through. Chain 2 and another one in that same chain 2 loop. Like that. And these are what we repeat. And always in between this there's no chains there. So straight away into that next chain loop and a cluster of 2 double crochets there, chain 2 and again. And this is what you repeat all the time. So this is a very easy and quick stitch. And check out also this playlist of different stitches that are great for especially baby blankets.